Welcome to Amir Shuja channel, Meet the Feathered Friends. Hello, little explorers. Today, we're going to meet some feathered friends. Birds. Parrots are super smart and love to copy sounds they hear.
Oh, hello, I'm Polly the parrot. I can talk just like you. Squawk, squawk, listen. Hello, kids.
I'm Hummy the hummingbird. I'm so tiny and super fast. I flap my wings so quickly, they sound like a hum.
Bird. The owl. A wise-looking owl appears. Owl. Woo-woo, I'm Oliver the owl. I sleep in the day and wake up at night. My big eyes help me see in the dark. Owls are amazing nighttime hunters. Hi there. There. I'm Penny the penguin. I can't fly, but I'm a super swimmer. Penguins live in cold places and love sliding on ice. What a fun flock of friends. Parrots, hummingbirds, owls and penguins. Each bird is special in its own way. Now you know a little more about the amazing world of birds.